Hi, I'm Sam DeLay. This is Kevin Lau. We're standing out in front of our newest listing in Sisters, which has a ton of charm.
Can't wait to tell you all about it. Come on in. As soon as you walk in through the front door, you're met with an open floor plan, all centered around a stone wood-burning fireplace, the perfect setting to catch up with friends and family. Make your way through this light and bright home while enjoying custom wood built-ins, hard surface countertops, and tailored lighting that give this abode a truly custom feel. The primary bedroom has all the vibes of a boutique hotel and provides a spacious, grandiose experience to the homeowner. The outdoor living is unmatched, with a wraparound deck, greenhouse, and a 6-person sauna. This property feels much bigger than an acre, as it sits against the Indian Ford Wildlife Refuge, which encompasses a large, tranquil area where homeowners can enjoy spectacular views this location has to offer. A quick 7-minute drive will land you in charming downtown Sisters, where you can grab a quick bite before heading out on countless adventures just minutes from town. Thank you so much for watching this tour. If you'd like to schedule your own private showing, please call or text. Thank you.